So here's how to use Wix to create a website for beginners. First of all, you need to open up your web browser and go to wix.com. And as you can see, I'm already here. So once you're in the official website of Wix, you'll get to see this Get Started button on the top right corner. So click on Get Started. So from this page, you can easily sign up for your Wix account. But since I already have an account, I will select Login and log in with my email address. Now put in your password and click on Login. So once you're in the next page, you'll get to see this interface. So click on the option that says Create New Site on the top right. And after that, you'll get an option to chat with AI. You can go with that option if you want. But for now, I will select Setup without AI. And for the next part, you will need to select what type of website you want to create. And as you can see, there are a couple of options. You just need to select whichever one is relevant. I will go with Restaurant and click on Continue. Now, you just need to wait for Wix to prepare your dashboard. It might take a few moments. And here we are. We are now in the dashboard. So now, you will get the option to select your business name. So click on the box and type in your business name right here. You can put in an existing or new business name. After that, just click on Continue. On the next page, you'll get to see a lot of options to choose the apps you would like to add. For now, I will click on Skip. On this page, you just need to click on Go to Dashboard. Then, wait for a while until it gets loaded. So as you can see, we are now in the dashboard. From here, click on Design Site on the top right. After that, you'll get to see two options. First one is to let Wix create a site for you, and the other one is to customize a template. So we will click on Start Now on Let Wix create a site for you. So wait till it gets processed. So after it's done loading up, you'll get to see some message from Wix on the left side. And Wix will inform you that they're generating your website, so wait till it gets done. As you can see, now it's giving you a briefing on your new website, so read it carefully to know all about your new website. And there you have it. After waiting a while, Wix will reveal the website it has generated for you. Now, you can scroll through and review your new website. So just scroll through and review your new website. Now, if you're satisfied with this, click on Continue with this site on the bottom left. So, on the next part, put in the domain name for your new website. After putting it in, click on Let's Go. Now, just wait for your site to get prepared. After it's done loading up, you'll have all the customization options on the left side, so click on Add Elements. Here, you'll have the option to connect a domain, so cancel it for now and go through all the options on the left side. This way, you can customize your website. You can also select any part of the website that you want to edit. For example, if I click on this, you will get to see I can adjust the Contact Us button. The same way, I can also move the heading wherever I want. You can also select Edit Text or Create AI Text. So after making all your adjustments, click on Publish on the top right. And as you can see, your site is published and live online. You will also get to see your domain right here. You can click on View Site if you want. So now, just click on Done. So this is exactly how you can use Wix to create a website for beginners. If you want to use Wix, click on the link in the description of this video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.